Hi students, if you need to complete a failure intervention plan, you're going to log into Google Classroom, click on Classwork at the top, then find the topic called Failure Intervention on the left. Click on that and you'll see an assignment called Failure Intervention First 9 Weeks. Go ahead and click on that and then we'll go through the instructions together. So you're going to first open your failure intervention vocabulary file. It's attached here. And in that file, you have vocabulary terms and artists and art movements from the first 9 weeks on PowerPoint slides for you. And what you need to do is read through them and then annotate each slide. And by annotate, I mean you're going to underline, highlight, circle, etc., different key terms that are really important. For example, line, a moving point in space, a mark on a surface. So moving point is a really important phrase there, and mark on a surface is also an important phrase. So here I highlighted moving point by selecting it with my cursor, going up to the highlighting tool up here, and selecting a color. You can select any color you want. You can also underline, you can highlight what you want to underline and then click on the U at the top and it'll underline it for you. You can also make the text a different color. Like if you want to make it bright red, you can. Whatever you want to do to annotate, I just want you to focus on the key terms in each definition. Then you're also going to add images that help illustrate that definition. I added some from our textbook, but I want you to add some more just to practice and help you remember the term. And in order to do that, you're going to go to Insert at the top, click on Image, click on Search from Web, and then you're going to type in key terms like line. You might also want to add art sometimes because some of the terms are generic. So this bird, for example, is created with a line, so I'm going to use that. You click on what you want to insert, and then you click Insert at the bottom right, and it will insert that image for you. It's usually too large for our purposes, so you'll need to make it smaller, and you'll just resize it and place it on the right-hand side. So you'll do that for each definition. There are about 21 slides, so it's a few definitions. When you're done with that, you're going to study your terms. You might want to quiz yourself. You might want to have someone else ask you what line means, or maybe read the definitions to you and you say the term or something like that. You can also, this is optional, but you can do Kahoot reviews. And down here at the bottom, it says you may go to kahoot.it and take review quizzes before you take the exam. You may take the review quizzes more than once. Here are the game pens. So there's 2 review quizzes here. So after you've annotated your vocabulary and studied, you might want to take the review quizzes on Kahoot. They're optional. When you're done and you're ready, you're going to do number 5, which is to open the first 9 weeks exam and complete it. Okay, and it's a Google form. It'll go directly to me when it's finished. So that is the way that you can complete your assignment. If you have any questions, you can always add a comment under class comments and it will be emailed to me, or you can just email me or text me via Remind. And just let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.